Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all, wherever you are joining me at this moment. Welcome to 177th edition of Investdata Academy Live with Ambrose. Welcome to the last trading day of the week. But I'll tell you that the market again has extended its missed state or missed sentiment or trend we have seen in the previous days. But I will tell you, the market internationally are still strong. We are seeing that this our US market is in green. Dan Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq are still indices are still what are still in green. Yes, the green is still very light, but to open on a green. Why the Europe stock? I'll tell you they are majorly flat at this hour, and information also coming economic data. You know the important and the weight of economic data news when it comes to the market. They're also looking at the recent data that was released, GDP figure that came from Germany. And don't forget that last MPC meeting there was a kind of 35% basic rate hike by Europe Central Bank. These are the things that's also playing out in the market. And the news that from the minutes of Fed, ahead of their December meeting, also have shown sign that they are likely to slow down rate from either 75 basic points, which I will discuss here, down to around 50. These are the things playing around the market. But one thing that also, I would say is peculiar with what is happening in the market. Now, I'll tell you that volume traded in those markets also are also trimming down despite they are in green, especially in US market and other markets. And that is also what we're experiencing down here in our market. If you look at African market is missed. That of Asia is also missed as to speak. But NSE at this hour is also slightly in red. But if you look at the activities of the market so far in recent time, volume has not been so attractive in terms of to show that fund is really in the market. Yes, we saw improvement in money flow that fund that entered the market as low as from 16 points to almost 72 points as at the end of trading yesterday. This hour we're still coming to live market to see where the fund, but we are seeing a little pullback in the market, and that's a lot of profit taking in the market. And this is what is happening around the market now. But don't forget that the political tension in Ukraine and Russia has also caused kind of distortion and also early intervention by this Western economy during COVID-19 also have influenced their own kind of inflation that we're seeing. While down here we're experiencing cost push inflation because of distortion triggered by this Ukraine and Russia conflict that have lasted for almost getting to a year. That have not helped matter, and oil price continue to oscillate in that direction. Just as recently that Russia oil is just capped, by the Western leaders or Western economy or their commission. This also tells you that these are continuing to drive oil and oil price up and down. As we speak now, crude oil price have show kind of rebound again because the oscillation has continued for a long time. For this one, we are seeing an up movement from trading around 86.79 dollar at this hour. Good one from we saw it yesterday around 85, but now currently 86.75. This also a sign that it's gaining. But this also as a result of different changes. And don't forget that the fear of this cases of COVID-19 in in the second largest economy has also helped matter in terms of oil price. That's why oil price was. But like I said it again, that before the end of the year, we're likely to see oil getting to 120 or 150 for the year. But it's going to trade around this below $90 now. There's a lot of one information here and there, and this is the power of what of news. But as a trader, when you are trading, look at your chart. You don't think with emotion or feelings. You must see how the people that are also receiving this news are reacting, and that's why you must focus to see their reaction on what on their chart. We also review the behavior or the buying pattern of those in the market at any given time. That's why, as a trader or investor, you must know how to combine your technical and your fundamental to know exactly what is happening, and that will also guide you to make what informed investment decision. It's very, very important so that at the end of the day, you'll be on what on the better side of the market, and that is what everybody wants to be. Especially, I tell you that if you really want to make money, you must take action after getting the information or knowledge. But if you have knowledge and information, you're not taking action, you are better than those knowing anything. Like the coming coming Invest 2023. This is a forum of professionals trying to share their idea, looking at the research that already started around the globe and here down here in Nigeria. How can you take advantage of this research to kind of boost your your portfolio and also recover any loss you have made, and also preparing for the real boom. Because I tell you, boom is on the way. Yes, fear of recession might be there, but I tell you, even in the midst of recession, in the midst of uncertainties, there are also opportunity for you also to make money. That's why it's very, very important. I'm happy that today, whether it's because it's the last day, for the discount window, we have seen improved number of people calling and also registering for what for the for the investment 2023, taking advantage of the discount window that will close by 12 midnight today, and as from tomorrow you start paying the full cost of 30,000 naira for the what for the class. It's a whole day class, started by 9 and closing by 4. All these professionals will share their ideas and what is happening, and also as we're also seeing more data, when we are taking the decision with the data back and also able to interpret what is likely to happen, we're able to make information, and also when it start happening, you already are at the side of the. Let's turn the line to black, and this line to black, and this line to black. You can see that the 50-day moving average is a black. Fine. Other indicators, we're turning up our money flow, very, very key. To know the direction phone is going for the money flow. We also call our, let's choose our magnet today. Let's take magnet today. Yes, this was enough so that you won't crowd the chart with the indicators and all that. You can see momentum indicators and the strength. To see what we have used the ADS, and we have seen that market is on a strong trend. But if you look at the chart above now, hold it candle, the index action, you can see that as we speak, market is trading above the T line, very good. For other indicators, market has crossed them. That is what we call a golden cross. Market crossed even trading above the 20 days moving average, and now market has crossed what the 50 days moving average yesterday.